CodeWiz Kids, I'm back. So I'm gonna show you how to change your character. You probably already know that. Also, how to make your character go this way when you click like this button, like the right arrow key or something, or the left. I'm gonna show you how. You're gonna want to change your character. Click make it whatever you want. Media library. I'm gonna make a Valkyrie. Now let's do this. Need this. So, you need this. Actually, you don't need that, you need this. When up arrow pressed, let's press make motion. Move 10. If you want down arrow, make it a -10. But if you want up arrow, make it a +10. And then, I'm gonna delete him. Oops, I think I just duplicated him. Delete. Now let's move this and delete. Yes, delete. Okay. Now put me in the corner. There we go. So let's wait. Oh, it's working. But if you want it to go like widely, I think, I don't know it all yet, but yeah, press this X0 and 10. See what happens. Ultra burst. Wait. Wait, did it work? Let me try again. It works. So that's it, I think. Wait, I'm gonna make a background to make it cool, and then that's it. Aliens, go. Two, three. There we go. This is gonna be head. Left arrow. Right arrow. And down arrow. No. The down arrow needs this, I think. -10. No. We need motion. -10. +10. Let's see what happens now. See what?